Now yesterday's
सो
session, yes,
कल कॉलेज चालू रहेगा सैटरडे है।
yes, it is going. Now see, yesterday what we have seen is that we have created a test cases, and we have done planning for the login page that we have seen yesterday. Like this, for this page, we have considered three major conditions. One, valid username and valid password. What all action will be taken if it is there. For invalid user and password, we have also checked for that also. And third one, we have given null values, nothing added, and we have just click on this login button. So what action it will take. So that was the first intention of yesterday's case test cases. So we have written in the sequence like this. This is a standard been formalized by many of the industry. Serial number, a test ID, a test name, then objective behind the carrying out the test, precondition, that is most important. Before starting any test, we need to follow some preconditions. Then steps, what all steps we'll be following for the purpose of testing those components. And finally the inputs, if required, it will be provided. What all inputs we will be checking on that application that is been formulated over there. Then the expected result after entering those inputs, and what is your expectation as far as the development of your application is concerned, and what actually you will find whenever it has been executed by the tester. So basically the status is whether the actual and expected are same, then only we can say that it is passed. If actual and expected are found to be different, that means your test is failed. So after this, the next action plan comes that if the test is failed, the development team again goes into the detail of the testing and sort out the issues, and then finally the bugs has been removed, and again it will be resent for the purpose of testing to evaluate whether the problem is isolated, identified, and whether it has been recovered by the development team. So the basic intention of tester is that to identify the bugs, to identify the problem or issues being generated by the application, and then move further for another components to be get tested. So this was the test case what we have seen yesterday for the purpose of login page. Now we'll move further for the another same one, that is, if I click on forgot page, this is forgot, I forgot my password. If I click on this link, so what all actions it should be there. So here I will be entering my mail ID because I have forgot my password. So I will be entering my mail ID, and I will press the reset password button. So this is a basic flow, and after reset password button, the mail will be sent on the corresponding mail ID, and you will be getting this message called as email send successful. Your successful email send. This message should be operated immediately after entering the email ID. If I enter wrong email ID, if I don't enter anything into this, and if I set reset, so there should be a condition like there is no account registered with email ID. Okay, there is no account registered with email ID. So I am just copying the text. So this is what the message will be displayed when there is a wrong no mail ID is being provided. And second one, if any mail ID is being provided, so what all message it will be displayed. So email sent successful message should be displayed. Okay, and if by default if I enter a wrong mail ID, suppose when I click on this one, and if I put like this, suppose asdf at the rate uh, something dot com, this is a wrong mail ID. Again it is sending mail because it is format is being followed. So if I put something like this, again it is being considered. So we'll assume that we'll be testing whether the mail ID is being carried transferred or not. अगर मैं इसमें से at the rate निकाल रहा हूँ तो से देखेंगे क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. So again it has been sent. So सिर्फ empty spaces को वो check कर रहा है, सिर्फ empty spaces को check कर रहा है, बाकी कुछ नहीं कर रहा. So we'll directly start this what we call as test case for forgot password. Forgot password. So this is the page for which we are writing a test cases. So first one will be the serial number, as I have said that this is most important. Then a test ID. So whatever ID is that, then there is a test name, then objective, then after that objective, that is a precondition, then it is test step, then it is test input, because that is most important, that you will be giving some input, and there is expected result and actual result, and finally there is nothing but a status of your testing. So this is the only components we'll be going into detail. I am giving a border to this one. Okay, okay, and I will give a colors to my header. Okay, now test number 1 I will be giving add for forgot. So suppose I will give it as, just in previous name I have given some nomenclature, so it is test 1, 2 and 3. Let it be, I will go for test test 4, and it is for forgot password page is test 4.1. okay, so whatever objective to check forgot password fields, to check forgot password fields. Precondition, so I need to be on this page. So this page should be there. This is login page. So precondition, open login page, उसका URL आपको डालना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is what is expected. Test step number 1, you will be clicking I forgot my password. Click the link I forgot my password, जिसको मैंने क्लिक करूँगा. Then after that, second one, second step, after clicking those one, I will be entering the email ID in my email feed. Enter valid email ID in text field. And third step will be, I will be click on reset password button. Click on reset password button. Okay, so these are the 3 steps. So these 3 steps will be carried out in this section, and after that, inputs. So the only input will be, I will be giving my mail ID. So email entered in text field is, you have to give in double quotes. You have to give in double quotes whatever email you will be providing, and then after that, click so already there is step is already written, so we will not write anything, so only inputs that is being provided will be written into this input step. Now expected result is that when I click on this, the email should be sent, and we need to get this message. This is email sent successfully, message should get displayed. So message should be displayed. So are you clear with this one? Okay, yes, everyone is clear with this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, now this is one condition. Now second condition, we'll go for test 4, test 5th one. I'll give name like this, test 5.1. And to check again, it will, the purpose will be to check forgot password field with empty, with empty input, or with empty data, with null data. Okay, prerequisite will be same because we need to open this login page. Step 1 will be the same because we need to click on this forgot button. Step number 2 be there that you are not entering something, so don't enter anything directly. Third step will be carried out. So second step will be click on, because I am not entering anything, so click just, so just you have to click the forgot link, and then second one you just click on the reset button, password button directly, no input. So here there is no input, so not applicable because I'm not entering anything into this. And what is expected is that there is no current account with this should be the message. Okay, so only 2 tests will be carried out for this, because it is the choice of tester to what extent he want to test. So we will be checking only 2 conditions. One is with entering the email ID, and second one is not entering anything into the text boxes. Now when you go for actual, now this is the thing you have to write, because this is the duty of tester, that you have to write up till this situation. Now this will be go for tester, and then actually this people will be going for execution. And when they find that, I will be opening again this page and will go for executing this first test. So this is the mail, what we call as page I need to open. So I'm opening the browser and I'm putting this into the browser field. So again the page will be open in front of me. Step number 1 is completed. Step number 2 is that this I have link is created. Then I will click on forgot my password. So this is my precondition. So precondition means what? This page need to be open. Now this condition is open. Now I will click on this forgot, because this is step number 1. This click on link, I forgot my password. Yes, I have clicked this one step. Yes, step is completed. Then enter a valid email ID in test field. So I need to enter a valid email ID into this, and after that I will be clicking on the reset button. Now this data I need to cover from this input, because this input is written, because this test input I will be copying this input and I am pasting over here. And after that step number 3 will be executed, that is click on the reset button. So I am clicking on this reset button and I am getting this email sent successfully. So I am copying this message and I am sending it over here, and say message received. So yes, I have received this message, and the actual expected message was email successfully sent should be displayed. And yes, I am getting email successfully sent. This means actual and expected both are same. My test is pass. That's it. The test is pass, and it should be donated with green color. Now second one, again prerequisite condition, that is I need to open this page. So I am copying this page URL and I am opening over here. Page is open and I'm clicked directly on the link. I forgot my password. Yes, I am clicked on this. I forgot my password, and directly second step, click on the reset password button. I'm clicking. I'm not entering anything because there is no input, because these people have not given any input to me. So just I will click on this reset button, and directly this message is thrown. I'm copying this message. I'm pasting over here, and see the message which was expected, there is same which is I am getting. So the test is again passed, because actual is exactly equal to expected. This means my test is passed. So yes, everyone is getting. Yes, सबको समझ में आया ये?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move further for the next stage? We'll go for forms now. Okay. Now next step is that after valid successful login, I will be entering into this page, and now my duty is to first I need to add some record into my client ad. So client, add client, and then after that I will be entering a data into this fields, all fields, and I will be just checking whether my record is inserted or not. So this is what we call as a regression testing. So all values will be entered into this, and then after that it will be saved. And after saving this, suppose I'm saving something, suppose Ajay. After saving a record, a message should be displayed like this. Message should be displayed like this. That is, this is only testing website, I think so. This is not an actual website when which is. So I need to get a message like this. That is record successfully created. So this message should be displayed. So I'm just copying it somewhere else and I'm pasting this message over there. And if I go for adding a record with nothing like this, suppose I have an Amul into this, I am saving this Amul. ओके बिकॉज दिस इज ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट. सो ये भी एक आप मैसेज उसको चेक कर सकते हैं रिपीटेड डेटा अगर वो अलाउ कर रहा है कि नहीं. सो डेस्ट अगेन आल्सो बी चेक्ड. सो दो सिनेरियो को मैं कंसिडर करूंगा. वन फॉर record insertion, new record insertion, and second one if it is already entered, again duplicate record should not be added. So these are the two prerequisite. This is what we will be writing a test cases for these two scenarios. Okay, so again shall we move for writing a test case? Yes. So now I am on a dashboard. So we'll be writing serial number, then test ID. You tell me now. Next one, test name. You tell me. Yes. What is next field now? Yes.
Objective.
Objective. Yes. It should be objective. Then after that,
Precondition.
Precondition. Then after that, test step. Then
Yep.
after that, test input. And after that, expected result. Then actual result. And finally status. Yes. ये इतने ही चीज़ें हमें हर बार लिखनी पड़ेंगी. This is the only format of writing a test cases. Okay. So I am writing over here. So first one, I am giving some test. Suppose test. So this is my for dashboard. So dash. So अभी मुझे टेस्टिंग करना है किस चीज़ का? क्लाइंट का. So I'll call it as client -01. So this is my client test 1. So test name. So client add 01. मैं नाम कुछ भी दे सकता हूँ. I want to add a record. So add a record first test. Objective to check whether record is inserted or to check record insertion. ऐसा इतने देखेंगे. check record insertion. बस. Okay. Precondition, I need to be open with to the dashboard. So precondition dashboard should be open. ये dashboard open होना चाहिए. The URL is like this. Okay. Step number 1. Now step number 1. Now this is one thing you have to keep in mind. Now you will not directly go into this one. So step number 1 will be, I am clicking on this clients first. Click on clients. First one is click on clients. Okay. Step number 2. Click on add clients. Click on add clients. Okay. When I click on add clients, step number 3 will be enter personal information. Step number 3, enter personal information. Step number 4, now I am writing in a very direct way, personal information, then I am taking this header part only. Now you can write a special test case for this name only. So name should be only a name, it should contain only one space, it should not contain a semicolon or some other special characters. It is your choice to what extent you want to do a testing. Yes, are you clear? To what extent you want to do testing, that is up to you. But basically my intention is that you should be familiar with the how to write a test case. So I will be only adding a record. So I will be adding a personal detail, then after that I will be adding address, add address details, then add contact details. Fifth step is add contact details. Now after adding contact details I will be adding tax information, then finally I will be adding sixth one, add text information, and finally I will be clicking on this save button. Finally I will be clicking on seventh one, I will be click on save button. So I need to specify that this is a button. Yes, are you clear with this 7 steps? I am clicking on first client, this one. Then after clicking this I will be clicking on add client, and after that I will be entering some data like this. Some data will be entered into this each and every field, and finally after entering all data I will be clicking on this save buttons. Okay, so this is one thing. Now input you can give as what do you call as active. So you can give active is equal to double quote, you put the field name and you put some values over there, suppose Ajay. Then in street address you will be giving something record, so you give some name over here, suppose Apune. Then it is duty of a tester to get all fields, all values. If you are giving inputs, it should be written like each and every field should be written. So street name, then city, then you have to give city name also, then you give state name also. Everything you have to put into this test case. So this is what we call as a hectic work being needed to be specified for the tester, and everywhere we need to give some values. So street I have need to give something, then address 2 I need to give something. So I am not writing everything here, just for the purpose of information I have written everything into double quote, and you put anything whatever you want to put into this field. So is this clear to everybody now? Okay, so zip code मैंने डाल दिया, then country, so country will be there. Then I just go for contact information only, so you put some values in the contact information, and finally tax information you put. So each and every fields need to be identified, and you have to pass values, what you call as valid values to these fields. So I am not entering anything, you just for the purpose you can try it, and you can write a test cases into this one. So I think everything one is clear, and after that there is no need to write, because these are the only inputs you will be giving. Here the last one step, that is after clicking you will be getting one message, and that message should be your record is saved. So already I have written your record says successfully. So the message, I need to write a message in double quote, record successfully, message should be displayed, and whatever the actual result you will get, you will write it in later part. So okay, so this is my test first one. Same way I will be writing a second for client module, and it is nothing but 0 to test, second test, and client record I will be giving it as number 2, and to check whether the record is inserted, to check duplicate record insertion, to check duplicate record insertion. same condition dashboard, same thing I am pasting over here, same information over here. And what message I am expecting? I am expecting like this message, client already exists. So message should be this one, should be displayed. Now when I actually go for executing, if I put some place, suppose I have entered like this Amol or Amol 1 I am entering and saving this one. Now this record is inserted because I have this. If this message comes, you copy that message and put it over here, and you check whether it is expected result was record successfully created message, and I am getting actual message as record successfully. It means my test is passed. If I again go for client, second test again need to follow client, add client, and I am adding same record again over there, that is Amol 1, and all blah values I have entered just like the input you have given into this Excel sheet. So all inputs will be added, and if I click on this, it says that your record is already exist. It means your test is successfully executed, and you check it over here and you check whether actual and expected are same, then you have to say it is pass, else you have to say it is fail. So is it clear to everybody now? Yes, is it clear to everybody now?
Yes, sir.
Testing is a very
Yes,
critical
sir.
part. Yes, it is a very critical part, and you have to check. Here I have not given values. This is only for purpose for the trial. Now you can give a valid values over there, and same values need to be added into this corresponding form, and the corresponding form will be going for. And this is thing we call it as a manual, because here there is no automation or no specific code you have to write. You just physically you have to visit the website, and you have to check each and everything. So if it is there, the specific address is added or not. If it is email, specific email ID is not added or not. So everything is being checked, and then only it is been specified. Now see, this is what we call as I have done. This is generic whole as a page I have gone for testing whether record is inserted or not. Some people might go for checking small units also. So you can go for the client. So I will go for client 1.1 testing. So client 1.1 testing means what? I want only text fields should be added over here. No number should be get added over here. No special character should be added into this field. Okay, so it should be you are very much specific about this first text box. So you can write a test case for individual component also. So here I will be writing a test case for single text box, that is for personal information only. Okay, so I want to check only this part. I don't want to check this remaining part. Don't want to check this remaining part. So I will be writing a test case. I am expecting that only client personal information and name. I want to check only the name. So client personal information name, and I will be giving a test name as 01. So here the objective will be to check whether personal information text field accepts only text with a range of 15 characters. Okay, so your expectation is what? Your objective is to only check. Your objective is only to check whether the personal field text field must accept only text with a range of 15. So at the most 15 characters should be accepted, and that should be only in the text. No special characters should be allowed. So no special character or number should be accepted. ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है. ओके, नाउ प्री रिक्विजिट कंडीशन, अगेन I should be on a dashboard. I should be on a dashboard. Precondition, so again I am copying this dashboard because I need to be on a dashboard, so I have copied the dashboard and the URL of that dashboard, so I will be directly opening that one. Okay, so I'm hiding these two fields now. Again, let it be like this. Then my step number 1 will be, I will be click on client first. So step number 1, click on client. Step number 2, click on add client. So second step, again I am copying, I am not wasting a time in typing everything. So second step will be click on add client, and after client I will be adding a value. So I want to check, so I will start go for adding a valid data. Suppose Ajay Singh is the only thing over there, and input will be Ajay Singh. So inputs will be Ajay Singh, and expected message should be record inserted successfully, and this is the one step. Whatever it is, that will be gone for this one. So this is only for the clicking, and I have entered into this. But now the second step, that is I have not entered the special character, so I have to write a text, second one, that is 1.2 I have to write, and here I have to click enter. So this is the first scenario. Step number 1, this is first scenario. Second will be the same. So here only I will be enter. These steps will be there. Again the steps will be there. Dashboard values will be the same. Only the inputs will be the different. So inputs will be I will be entering, checking only numbers. Okay, and expected result should be no, that is client not exist, message should be get displayed. Client not exist, message should get displayed, क्योंकि ये गलत है, ये number है, number should not be accepted, and whatever testing is that, keep it as it is. Now the range should be not greater than 15, so I will accept 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So at the most 15 characters. So here my intention will be only number should not be accepted, number should not be accepted. The objective will be somewhat different. Should not accept numbers, should not accept numbers. ये हमारा इंटेंशन है, एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहिए नंबर्स को. अभी हम एक्चुअल रन के लिए जाएंगे, इसको अभी रन करेंगे. मैं नाम वही कॉपी करता हूँ, एंड दिस इज स्टेप नंबर 4. अभी मैं ये टेस्ट को रन कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ओपनिंग दिस वन, I am clicking on client, I am clicking on add client, and I am entering some inputs over there. Now this is the input I am copying, I am entering those input over there, and then step is that I need to click on add client. So now I am clicking on add client. Now this number should not get added as per my prediction, but still it is saying that record added successfully. Still it is saying record added successfully. The intention of this program was not to make allow those, it should be an error message, that is it should not accept those values. ये number उसने add नहीं करना चाहिए था, but expect क्या हो रहा है कि actual में क्या मिल रहा है कि it has been added, the record is added. This means your test is fail. और टेस्टर का काम होता है आपको टेस्ट को फेल ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यूज़र जब तक आपका डेवलप सिस्टम परफेक्ट नहीं रहेंगी तब तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यानी देखो यहाँ पर तो ये अच्छी वाली चीज़ों को है, मैंने अजय सिंह को डाल दिया, अजय सिंह को कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, और यहाँ पर मैं डाल रहा हूँ क्लाइंट ऐड, और आई एम एडिंग अजय सिंह इनटू दिस. अजय सिंह को मैंने डाल दिया, एंड आई एम सेविंग दिस बटन. अजय सिंह सेव हो रहा है. यस, रिकॉर्ड सक्सेसफुली क्रिएटेड, ये मैसेज आ रहा है. और एक्सपेक्टेड क्या था, एक्सपेक्टेड हमारा था रिकॉर्ड सक्सेसफुली क्रिएटेड, एक्चुअल में वही मिल रहा है. इस मीन्स हमारी टेस्ट पास हो चुकी है, यानी ये टेस्ट में ये दिस इज बिन पास्ड. दिस इज बिन पास्ड। अभी ये यहाँ पर हमारा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 डाल रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं रिकॉर्ड क्लाइंट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट, या फिर ये मैसेज शुड बी नो व्हाट वी कॉल एज numbers allowed, no numbers allowed in name field। और जब हम एक्चुअल रन के एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए जा रहे हैं तो ये एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है रिकॉर्ड एक्सेप्टेड सक्सेसफुली, इसका मतलब ये हमारी टेस्ट फेल हो चुकी है। ओके और ये टेस्टर का काम है सब टेस्ट को पास नहीं करना, हमारा इंटेंशन होता है उसको टेस्ट को फेल करना, हमारा इंटेंशन है, क्योंकि हमें उसको क्रैक करना है। टेस्टर का काम होता है सिस्टम को क्रैक करना है, ना कि उसको सपोर्ट करना। तो आपने उसको क्रैक कर दिया है, आपने उसका आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया है प्रॉब्लम को। नाउ यू कैन राइट अनदर टेस्ट केस फॉर दिस इज 5th टेस्ट केस बेस्ड ऑन सेम पैरामीटर्स। अभी हमने यहाँ पर जैसे नंबर्स को काउंट किया था, नाउ विल गो फॉर राइटिंग फॉर दिस इज 1.3 क्लिक ऑन पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन शुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स। हमारा डैशबोर्ड पे वही ओपन होने वाला, हमने क्लिक करेंगे, click on client and the input will be somewhat different, so input will be changing, so input will be some special characters will be added over there, special characters will be added and message चाहिए no special characters allowed in name field, ये हमारा रिजल्ट है एक्चुअली। ओके ना हम ये प्रोग्राम करने के लिए जाएंगे, टेस्ट हम एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए भागेंगे अभी। सो विल बी गो राइटिंग अ टेस्ट केस। सो फर्स्ट प्री रिक्विजिट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव हमारा ये कि शुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, ये हमें टेस्ट करना है। अभी हमारा प्री रिक्विजिट है कि हमें ये पेज के ऊपर जाना है। सो आई एम कॉपिंग द यूआरएल ओवर हियर, और हम इस यूआरएल में अभी ओपन करेंगे। Dashboard is open, then step will be add click on client. Yes, I have clicked on client. Click on add client also, I have clicked on add client also. यहाँ पर मेरा रहा ना, थर्ड स्टेप तो रहा है, थर्ड एंटर नेम, एंड फोर्थ वन स्टेप था क्लिक ऑन सेव। सो ये तीनों स्टेप्स थर्ड एंड फोर्थ यहाँ पर आ जाएंगी, सेम विल बी हियर। ओके सो थर्ड विल बी एंटर नेम। नेम कहाँ से है, एंटर नेम बोले तो यहाँ पर इनपुट में दिया है, टेक्स्ट इनपुट में मिला है, मुझे उसको कॉपी करना है और वो यहाँ पर जाके पेस्ट करना है। एंड व्हाट इज स्टेप नंबर 4, क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन। नाउ आई विल बी क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन। ये सेव स्पेशल सिंबल नहीं जाने चाहिए। Oh my God, it is accepted, रिकॉर्ड ने सेव कर दिया है। आपको उसको मैसेज को पेस्ट करना है, और हमारा एक्सपेक्टेड क्या था, एक्सपेक्टेड वाज नो स्पेशल कैरेक्टर अलाउड, ऐसा मैसेज आना चाहिए था, पर हमारा रिसर्च तो अलग आ रहा है, रिकॉर्ड सेव सक्सेसफुली क्रिएटेड, दिस मीन्स माई टेस्ट इज फेल। क्योंकि मेरा इंटेंशन था, मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था आउटपुट, पर मुझे अलग मिल रहा है। सो आई विल से इट एज फेल, सो आई विल डिक्लेयर दिस एवरीथिंग एज टेस्ट इज फेल्ड। Yes, everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So my 3 tests are passed and 2 tests are fail. So you can go for testing of each and every component, and you can check it whether it is working efficiently or not. Okay. So मैं टेस्टिंग में जाता हूँ और ये अमोल में जाता हूँ, और ये देखो, ये एक ऐसी कंपनी का कोई, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में जाएंगे तो आपके सामने ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट रख दिया जाएगा, और आपको करना क्या है, इसकी प्लानिंग करनी है। जैसे यहाँ पर उन्होंने दिया है, देखो दिस इज ऐड क्लाइंट, सो दिस इज ऐड क्लाइंट पेज। उसके पहले क्या था, ऐड सिटी पेज। सो ऐड सिटी पेज कहाँ पर है, क्या है, अभी इसको देख के आपको टेस्ट केसेस लिखने पड़ेंगे। आपके पास सिर्फ डायग्राम है, नो GUI, नथिंग इज दैट। डिजाइनिंग हो चुकी है, और इमीडिएटली टेस्टिंग टीम ने क्या उनके प्लानिंग करना चालू कर देते हैं, हाउ यू हैव टू प्लान टेस्ट केसेस फॉर दिस वन। सो यू हैव टू डिजाइन, इन प्लानिंग यू हैव टू डिजाइन दिस कंपोनेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट अ टेस्ट केसेस फॉर दिस कंपोनेंट कॉल्ड एज ऐड क्लाइंट। सो आपने ऐड क्लाइंट में जाएंगे, पर ऐड क्लाइंट को कैसे जाएंगे, तो इन्होंने यहाँ पर दिया है कि this is nothing but a overall system. This is a home page, and in the home page there is a add client, and you have to click this add client, and then only it will be open, and then you will be adding an add city onto that. So this is add client. This is a page. Here it will be accepting a name, company name, email, contact, then your city, your branch, your address, your logo, your GST number, everything will be checked. Each and every component will be checked, and for checking each and every component you have to write a test cases for that one. So ऐसे ही फॉर्म्स आपके सामने रहेंगे, आपको सिर्फ उसके लिए टेस्ट केसेस लिखने पड़ेंगे. So now I am sending this record, I am sending this project to you, I am sending this project to you, and I am expecting you should write a test cases for at least for minimum 5 फॉर्म्स, फॉर मिनिमम 5 फॉर्म. जैसे आपका लॉगिंग का एक फॉर्म है, उसके लिए आपको टेस्ट केसेस लिखने पड़ेंगे. आपको डिफाइन करना है कि इसको हम क्रैक कैसे करेंगे. रन नहीं करना, मैंने वही बोल रहा, आपको ये रन करके पास और फेल नहीं बोलना. आपको सिर्फ ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि आपका प्री कंडीशन क्या रहेगा, आपके स्टेप्स कौन से रहेंगे, आपका इनपुट क्या रहेगा, एंड व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट. ये 4 कंपोनेंट्स को आपको हाईलाइट करना है. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, प्री कंडीशन क्या है, स्टेप्स क्या 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 फॉलो करना है आपको, इनपुट्स क्या क्या रहेंगे, एंड व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. ये वाला कंपोनेंट के ऊपर आपको ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, दिस पार्ट. एंड दिस इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ टेस्टर कि वो पास करना है कि फिल करना है. एक्सपेक्टेड एक्चुअल रन करने के बाद उनको क्या आउटपुट मिल रहा है, उनका वो हेडेक अलग है. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये सबको डिफाइन करना है, एंड गिव अ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड नॉमेनक्लेचर फॉर दिस numbering, or you can give a very good name for your test ID, or you can give a good name for your test name also, that can be defined. But ये दोनों के ऊपर इतना फोकस नहीं रहेगा. मेजर फोकस विल बी ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव, प्री कंडीशन, स्टेप्स, इनपुट्स, एंड योर एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट्स. Okay, so I will sending this form to you, this project report to you, for the purpose of testing the components. You can go for do booking also. You can write any 5 टेस्ट केस. आपको ही डिफाइन करना है उसका सिनेरियो. मुझे अभी इस पेज को टेस्ट करना है, तो मुझे करना क्या पड़ेगा, क्या क्या टेस्ट करूँ मैं इसके लिए. तो यू आइडेंटिफाई एनी फॉर्म. आप रिपोर्ट्स को भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, रिपोर्ट्स को भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो बहुत बार मैनुअल टेस्टिंग में ऐसा होता है, जैसे अभी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, जैसे मेक माई ट्रिप, ये मैं वेबसाइट ओपन कर रहा हूँ आपके सामने. टेस्टर क्या काम करता है एक्चुअली, ये बताओ मैं आपको. यस,
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके. मेक माई ट्रिप में हम जा रहे हैं. और होता है एयरलाइन रिजर्वेशन, सपोज स्पाइस जेट वेबसाइट को हम जाएंगे. मैं 2-3 सिनारियोज आपको बता रहा हूँ कि कैसे हम टेस्टिंग के लिए जाते हैं. ये आप घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. सपोज अभी मेरा मेक माई ट्रिप है, मैं होटल्स को क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. अभी ये वेबसाइट ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है. अभी आपको टेस्ट क्या करना है, व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन होटल, अभी होटल के पेज को हमें टेस्ट करना है. तो सिनारियो आपको पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. सिनेरियो मीन्स व्हाट, ऑन व्हाट पर्सपेक्टिव यू विल बी चेकिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट. आपको किस चीज़ को फोकस करके आपको टेस्टिंग करना है. तो यहाँ पर मैं आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन होटल्स, एंड आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन डोमेस्टिक होटल्स. अभी मेरा इंटेंशन है कि मुझे होटल्स में से डोमेस्टिक होटल्स को चेक करना है, उनकी टेस्टिंग करनी है. अभी टेस्टिंग करना क्या है, 1 सेकेंड. मेरे को लिस्ट चाहिए होटल्स की. तो 1 मिनट. ओके, मैं एक अच्छी वेबसाइट लेता हूँ. 1 मिनट. मैं एक अच्छी वेबसाइट लेता हूँ जहाँ पर हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. आई have written some names of some good websites that you can check for the purpose of testing, that can you can go for testing. Make my trip और कौन सा है, anyone can give me the name? Okay, देखिए ये एक ऐसा होता है स्पाइस जेट की, अगर आप एक सिनेरियो हम लेंगे, स्पाइस जेट का हमें टेस्ट करना है. नाउ इन दिस व्हाट इज दैट, योर रूट, suppose I am clicking on some city, suppose just like Pune, so I want to go from Pune to Mumbai. When I click on Pune to Mumbai, the date field should always start from, suppose I want to start a flight from 12th, और मुझे 12 को ही आना है, मुझे 12 को ही आना है, मुझे डिपार्चर एंड रिटर्न, मुझे फिर से 12 को ही आना है, कि 12 को जाना है और 12 को ही आना है. ऐसे अगर गलती से मैंने डाल दिया एंड आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर दैट वन, if it search some record, now it is already been tested, so if it search a record, और अगर वो रिकॉर्ड दिखा रहा है हमें कि उसी दिन जा रहे हैं और उसी दिन फिर से पीछे आ रहे, पूना से मुंबई, या फिर कोई लॉन्ग रूट डाल दो, तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि आपको वो टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. मेरे ये वेबसाइट अच्छा वाला कोई किसके पास है क्या, कोई होटल बुकिंग ज़्यादा करता है विद ऑफर्स, चलो मैं गोवा का भी क्लिक कर देता हूँ. ओके, नाउ दिस hotels are in front of me. People need to check that check in and check out should be a different date. टेस्टर का काम होता है कि वो मैनुअल चेक करना, भाई इन अगर मैंने 13 को किया तो आउट कब होना चाहिए, 14 15, कभी तो भी नेक्स्ट वाली डेट चाहिए. कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता मैंने 13 फरवरी को लॉग इन किया, चेक इन किया और मैं 1 फरवरी को बाहर निकल रहा हूँ, यानी एक महीना पहले, यानी ये टेस्टिंग ये नहीं होना चाहिए. सो आई वांट टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम 1 मार्च, सो कितना रूम चाहिए, सो 12 रूम्स या फिर 1 रूम. 1 सेकेंड, ऑफर्स वाला मैंने एक वेबसाइट था अच्छा वाला, वो टेस्टिंग करते थे. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम 5 स्टार होटल को क्लिक करते हैं और हमें 2 स्टार होटल दिखाई देता है, तो वो भी आप मैन्युअली चेक कर सकते हैं. So it will show me the list, I think so it is not there. So let it be, I will show it in the next lecture.